Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick video. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Workhorse WKHS. I did a video over the weekend and I said that this stock is not a buy at the time because now it has to meet certain criteria. So I believe it met that criteria today. So that is the reason it's added to the tracker today. And so let's get started on this stock, why it is a buy, and we can look at a couple of calls for this guys as well. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. Please check out all our social media. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks and indices in coming days. So before we look at the chart, here is the tracker for you from the website. So it's added to the tracker today with the closing price of $15.61. So the minimum buying range would be $51.61 and the maximum buying range would be $16.39. And your stop loss is around $14.36. So before we look at the profit loss projection, let's look at the chart and we'll come back. So if you look at my previous video, I said that it was not a buy because it was closed on this line, so it was not ready to test its 10-week moving average, or it's either it has to breach this upper end of this channel. So until then, that stock might be moving sideways. So that is the reason I said no, it is not a buy. But as of today, today, it found support at 10-week moving average. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for Workhorse. I like the weekly setting. You guys know that because it eliminates a lot of daily noise and it will give you some kind of clear trend for short-term trading, which is anywhere between a week to 3 months to 6 months. So it was added to the tracker just because of its found its classic supports at its 10-week moving average. So hopefully this stock is rally from this point onwards. So let's see. So before we move on to the options for the stocks, so let's take a look at the profit loss projection, then we'll come back to the chart. So if you guys come down on the tracker table, you can see a small profit and loss projection table. It's a very high level. It is very simple math. So this stock should post at least 5% gain by September 7th, which is $16.39, and this stock should now at least post 20% gain by by November 9th, which is $18.73. So if the stock is now posting losses at $14.36 anytime, it will be closed out as it hits a stop loss price level. So as we are looking at 20% gains by November, so let's look at a couple of calls for this guy. So for the short term, I will be looking at the calls from October. So you can look at the 1750, which is a reasonable price to achieve. It will trade for a little bit more premium, but it didn't move much today because the stock was stalling around this price range. So if it started rallying, this price might go up. So let's see how things play out. But I will start with the $17.50 for the October call, and the 19 is okay, but 20 is maybe a little bit steep. But you figured out what is your risk level is, but I definitely would start with the $17.50 call. And if you guys are looking for a long-term call, you probably may want to look at January. I would say you can even go to 2025, whatever it is, but it's a little bit longer term. Things might price out well for this company, but October sounds reasonable. Then always you can extend your call to different dates if you want. So definitely I'll be looking at October, and if you are looking at a little bit longer term, you can look at some January calls. Okay, that's all guys. So this is a buy at this price level. So let's see how this stocks plays out, because I wanted to give a quick update because to follow up with the weekend videos. So if you want to look at the weekend video, that'd be great. But as of now, this stock is a buy. So let's see how things plays out in coming days. And thanks again guys for watching this quick video. I try to limit my videos within 5 minutes, so we are getting that mark. And please check out our website. I will put the tracker link in the description section, so you can check it out whenever you want. The tracker will get updated at the end of the day with the closing price of the stock, so you can know what is happening with the stock over the period. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos in coming days on many stocks and indices. And have a great week.